Averill from Sharper Uniforms. Today we are going to review the Unisex Restaurant Tropical Camp Shirt. This camp shirt works well in casual venues and corporate festive parties. The shirt features traditional camp collar, wood-tone buttons, left chest pocket, straight bottom hem with side vents, available in royal blue and black. Nice light breathable fabric, 55% cotton and 45% polyester, 3-ounce weight fabric that may be machine washed. The shirt comes in sizes double extra small all the way up to 6XL and in tall starting at 4XL. Always follow the washing instructions on the inside of the garment. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on the web.